Now that we have the getAction method for checkout, let's copy that and paste it one more time for the HTTP post, and the name will be same, checkout. Then if you examine the checkout view, you go to the view, the model is cart DTO, and that will be posted back. So here when the checkout view is posted, it will actually post a cart DTO. So we have to use cart DTO that we will retrieve right here, and we have to build an object of cart header DTO and pass that to the methods. So once we receive the cart DTO, what is it that we actually have to do? Let's add everything inside a try-catch block. If there is an exception, we will just return back to the view and we will pass the cart DTO. First thing that we need here is the access token, so let me get that. And then we have to call the checkout inside the cart service. So we'll say variable response is equal to await underscore cart service. In there we have the checkout. Return type will be response DTO. And here we will have to pass the cart header DTO. So that will be inside cart DTO dot cart header along with the access token. And once we get the response, we will examine that in the upcoming requirements. But right now we will just return back to the index action. So we'll say return redirect to action. And actually, rather than redirecting it to the index action, let me redirect to a new action with the name of confirmation. I have not created that. It will just be an empty method which returns back to a view which will display that your order is confirmed. So we'll have the confirmation and it will just return back to a view. So while we are here, let me also add that view. It will be an empty view. Make sure to use the same name, confirmation. And in here, we will just add 3 lines of code. We'll add a div. In the H1, we'll say congratulations, you are one step closer to amazing food. Inside a paragraph, we'll display we have received your order and payment will be processed soon. And finally, I'll display an image that we already added inside the www root images, which is order.png. So that's the simple view that we added. In the next video, let's run this and debug our application.